Good morning, guys. I fell asleep in here in the tiny house. Oh, yesterday was good fun. Oh. Alan and his son Harga, very nice people. The guests that were here too, very nice. Let me sleep in the tiny house. Let's go. There was a massive fire out here too. Oh. And the shelter. I went to get my little bag of electronics so I can charge up my phone. Oh my god, I can't wait to get the electrical setup for this wheel fixed so I'm completely independent. I'd much rather be rolling out some solar panels or just straight up connecting my phone to my wheel. Okay, here we go. At some point this is gonna be a meme on the channel, but I'm so behind with editing. I'm just eating like a box full of these right now while editing. Delicious. Fucking grineren det der, mand. I taler sidst. Fordi ellers tror jeg lige. Det var en så bløde den der. Forhold til dem i dåse. Og der er heller ikke særlig meget smag i det. Ja. I was supposed to ride in this weather. If I went to that other event over the weekend, I would have had to deal with this, packing down my tent. Well, I would have probably stayed just because of the weather. I'm happy I stayed here. I didn't spend as much money, and I had such a good time getting to know Alan and his two sons. I'm just gonna stay until the weather gets better. I'll leave at some point today, but I've had such a nice time staying in his tiny house. I'm so happy he let me. It's just a nice little weekend to completely de-stress after all that work.
Listen, I just want you to add this. Please.
Oh, my left.
And
Thank you.
quality sport cushioning, plus they come with an anti-anti-brake.
Don't reject them, bust the trucks.